Well, even as the BJP versus the Gandhis fight is getting fierce with each passing day, all eyes are now on Priyanka's poll pitch in Raebareli today, where she will continue her campaign for Sonia Gandhi. Will Priyanka strike back at Modi, giving an equal response to his attacks?
There has been a political attack on my family, and they have used my husband to make this political attack, and it has gone on for 2 years, and I feel very strongly about it.
She has taken the frontal role for the Congress in the past few days, leading the party's attack in the last legs of the elections. And Priyanka will once again be seen campaigning for her mother, Sonia Gandhi, in Raebareli today.
Ma'am, you're coming back day after tomorrow? Then you'll be here for some time?
The 25th I'm here, 26th, 27th I'm in Amethi, 28th, 29th I'm here. 28th I'm here, 29th, 30th, then I'm in Amethi.
But you're around only?
In the past few days, Priyanka has been seen not just campaigning for her brother Rahul and mother Sonia Gandhi, but has come out to launch fresh attack against the BJP's frontman and his party leaders.
तो अगर हमारे सशक्तिकरण की बात कर रहे हो तो हमें बताओ हमें किस तरह से सशक्त करोगे, और अगर हमारी सशक्तिकरण की बात कर रहे हो तो बंद कमरे में हमारे फोनों में फोन मत सुनो.
Her attack only setting the trend and acting as a catalyst for the rest to mount offensive on the BJP.
महिलाओं की बात होती है, कहते हैं कि भैया महिलाओं को हम शक्ति देना चाहते हैं. यहाँ महिलाएं बैठी हैं, मैं आपको बताता हूं गुजरात में कैसे शक्ति देते हैं. पुलिस का प्रयोग करते हैं, महिलाओं का फोन टैप होता है, महिलाओं के पीछे पुलिस बहुत दौड़ाई जाती है, और दिल्ली में पोस्टर लगता है कि भैया हम महिलाओं को शक्ति देना चाहते हैं.
Today, as she once again campaigns for Sonia Gandhi, the question is if she will fire a fresh salvo at the BJP and its frontman. Bureau Report, Times Now.
Sneha is with us for a fresh input. Sneha, as we just saw, Priyanka Gandhi very much on the offensive, targeting Narendra Modi for the Snoopgate scandal and also playing the victim card insofar as the allegations against her husband is concerned. Will she continue that poll pitch? What is likely to top her agenda today?
Well, yes, she definitely is going to continue criticizing the Bharatiya Janata Party and Narendra Modi without naming him, of course, the way she has been doing as of now. 13 rallies across Raebareli today, 13 public meetings actually. I'm getting you these visuals from the first location of a rally in Kundwal, a village in Raebareli. Lots of women attending this rally. You can see in these visuals, all of them waiting to listen from Priyanka Gandhi. Remember, Priyanka Gandhi has been talking about women empowerment. She mentioned the Snoopgate issue as well. She's trying to reach out to the women here in Raebareli and Amethi because most of the people attending her rally are women, so she's really trying to strike a chord with them. Of course, we can expect her to continue with her criticism against Narendra Modi. That is something that we can expect. She is going to be here today. Tomorrow she has a road show in Amethi, so she's also going to go to Amethi and campaign for Rahul Gandhi. Of course, here in Raebareli trying to boost her mother's campaign. Sonia Gandhi again is going to be in Raebareli tomorrow holding a massive rally. So the Gandhis really carpet bombing this entire region, Amethi, Raebareli, family bastions of the Gandhis. They have to retain it at this point in time. Anti-Congress sentiment all over the country, but at least as far as the key constituencies, the family bastions of Amethi and Raebareli go, Priyanka Gandhi has been given the task to be here, to talk to the people, to reach out to the people and to criticize the BJP. Well, that is something that she's also been doing. Like I said, even in the past, without naming Narendra Modi, she talked about all the powers within the BJP being confined to one particular leader. So she continues to criticize, and she's also been defending her family members, including her husband Robert Vadra. So we can expect her to talk about all of those issues once again, especially because the BJP has also been sharpening their attack against Priyanka Gandhi. They've been saying that she's a star campaigner and she's been raking personal issues of Snoopgate. So this has been the defense of the BJP. So we can expect Priyanka Gandhi to respond to that as well.